Malo e tau ma he fini kakai. Malo tau lava. Got a new song today and loto peke atu ke mo ki whanongo e fo i te mo. So ane, malo, malo. Malo au pito. Pea kapate mauro sa ia e fo i hiwa koe ni. Pea malo sa ane. Pea whaampe te mo sa ia ai, kapate mo sa ia ai. Pea mo like mai ki ai, pea kapake mo sa ia ai. Unlike koe hinga fo hiwa koe ni koe in love. Koe mix whakatonga me whapalangi. But ki fo hiwa ki vave. But yeah, I wanna give you guys a little demo. Really busy this week. So I'll try and get the song finished before Saturday so I can upload on Saturday. But yeah. Uki play at pe hafo I konga fo I ves ula ki pe and a bridge ta mo fo I tau na as hiki. But yeah, enough talking, let's get to it. Malo soane. So yeah, that's the demo, and hope you guys like it. And I try my best get this song out by Saturday. And yeah, and that's the new song coming up, and few more songs to be released, and I'm still working on it. But this one is gonna be the next one coming out. So yeah. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel or watching this video. And please pray for Tonga. So yeah, hope you guys have a great night, and good night, and see you guys when the song is uploaded, so I can give you guys a heads up on the next song. So, malapit to, DJ now.